Describing my family. 1. Lawyer. He is 21 years old. He is a lawyer. He is a small, and he is an athletic. But he is a great grader. He has short hair and he wears glasses. His favorite color is blue. He loves vallenato music and he works very hard because he wants to be judges. He's my husband. Jose, university student. He is 21 years old. He don't play anything, but he is very strong. He is young and he is very friendly. He has many friends and he always very informal class. He he has short hair and he has brown skin and eyes. He's my brother, Francie, kindergarten student. He is young. She is young. She is 5 years old. She is very extrovert. He loves them and he love wear dress. He has very smart. She is very intelligent. She is tall and big. She has very energy. She is active. She want play all. She want play all day. She has black and wavy hair. She is my niece. Edith, university student. She is young. She is 20 years old. She is very introverted. She is small. She loves speed all time. Is very her color. Her favorite color is blue. She has long hair. She is slim. She don't like use shoes. And she don't work right now. She is my sister.